Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share another exciting airdrop with you. Before we dive into the details, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. I regularly upload high-profit airdrops and big opportunities that you won't want to miss. This airdrop is launched by the Blockless network, and if you're not familiar with Blockless, let me explain. This is a highly promising project. In this video, we'll discuss how to participate in this airdrop step by step. Watch the video till the end, as there's no investment required, not even a single rupee. Let's jump straight into it. On your screen, I'll show you the entire process of participating. All the necessary links will be shared on my Telegram channel, and the link to Telegram is in the video description. The name of this project is Bless Network, and it already has 24,000 followers. On November 13th, they tweeted, "Our incentivized testnet just launched on @Solana. Join us at bless.network." This project operates on the Solana ecosystem, and Solana itself is supporting it. With a funding of nearly $8 million, this project is poised to be significant. Similar to a node, this project allows you to participate and potentially earn rewards. Here's how to get started. Visit the Bless Network website. Click on Add to Chrome to download the extension. If you're using a mobile device, you can use the Kiwi browser to do this. After downloading, visit the website again and click on the Google Login option. Enter your email address and log in. Once logged in, your dashboard will open. Open the downloaded Bless Network extension and log in again. It may take a few minutes for the network to connect, but once connected, you'll see the status of your node in the My Nodes section. If mining hasn't started yet, give it 2 to 3 hours, and your mining progress will be updated. Additionally, in the referral code section, you'll find your referral code. Share this with your friends to get a 10% boost on your rewards. If no referral code is used, you won't get any boost. You can also view your achievements in the achievements section. Make sure you join their Telegram channel to stay updated on all the latest news and developments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching.